The Samsung Galaxy S25 series, which will include the Galaxy S25, Galaxy S25 Plus, and Galaxy S25 Ultra, is anticipated to be officially announced around January next year in 2025. According to various leaks, the new flagship phones will feature only a few upgrades compared to their predecessors. A recent tip from a reliable source, Ice Universe, indicates that the Galaxy S25 Ultra will come with more RAM than the previous model. This year, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra has a 12 GB RAM configuration. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is one of the best flagship Android smartphones, offering an impressive anti-reflective screen, strong performance, and a long-lasting battery. However, its 200-megapixel main camera and telephoto lenses are not as advanced as some competitors. Samsung has opted for smaller camera sensors on its flagship devices, unlike OnePlus and Xiaomi. Looking ahead, Samsung is planning significant improvements for the Galaxy S25, expected next year. During a recent earnings call, Daniel Araujo, Samsung's VP of Mobile Experience, hinted at major upgrades in display and camera technology. He mentioned that the company aims to use top-tier processors and memory to enhance performance and provide a premium user experience. However, the S24 Ultra had the same story before it was launched. Top-notch hardware and software, best-in-class, and more. But still, the device lags in many areas. Let us know if you've faced any problems with your Galaxy S24 Ultra in the comments below. Anyway, Samsung is renowned for its OLED display expertise, and the Galaxy S24 Ultra's 6.8-inch OLED screen, capable of reaching 2600 nits of peak brightness, uses Corning's Gorilla Glass armor to reduce reflections by up to 75%. For the S25 series, Samsung may introduce new tandem OLED display technology, similar to what Apple uses in its M4 iPad Pro, to achieve even higher brightness and improved power efficiency.
It has the world's most advanced display, made possible with breakthrough tandem OLED technology, the Ultra Retina XDR. Precise contrast, jaw-dropping brightness, and brilliant color.
Rumors suggest that the Galaxy S25 Ultra will feature an upgraded 50-megapixel 3x telephoto sensor, significantly enhancing image quality and detail compared to the S24 Ultra's 10-megapixel 3x telephoto lens. The main sensor might remain unchanged, continuing with the 200-megapixel sensor found in the S24 and S23 Ultra models. A Samsung VP also discussed the company's advancements in AI, highlighting plans to collaborate closely with partners like Google. This partnership aims to improve the understanding of conversational context, providing a more seamless and natural user experience across devices. These enhancements are set to further strengthen Samsung's leadership in AI integration. The upcoming Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to be a substantial upgrade over previous Galaxy S series phones. Anticipated features include a fresh design, improved cameras, a faster processor, and a revamped software layout. There are also rumors of a RAM upgrade to 16 GB as well as a new max storage tier of 2 TB storage. The base amount of storage could potentially be set to 512 GB as it is in testing. This would be a welcome change for enthusiasts, as previous models like the Galaxy S20 Ultra and S21 Ultra had 16 GB RAM variants, while the S22 Ultra and newer models were limited to 12 GB. According to previous leaks, the Galaxy S25 Ultra will feature an asymmetrical front and back design that offers a narrower visual bezel compared to its predecessor, the Galaxy S24 Ultra. It is expected to have a slim mid-frame. So, what are your thoughts on these upcoming upgrades in the Galaxy S25 lineup? Let us know in the comments, and stay tuned for more updates by subscribing to our channel. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.